back to my channel. I'm supposed to be saying popping up on your screen, but I'm sorry, today you ain't gonna be seeing my face because we're going to be doing something rather new and exciting. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to aesthetically edit your photos. So basically, I've been getting like hundreds of messages after I posted this particular picture of mine. I guess I'm going to put the picture up on the screen. And I've been getting like hundreds of messages. How do you edit your pictures? How do you go about this? How can I do this? And actually, it's very stressful trying to explain this to certain people. And I just want to do this video because I'm sure apart from my friends and people who can reach me, there are several people out there who would love to know how we go about all these edits. So basically, yeah, let's just get straight into the video. And I've got to say, if this is your first time watching my video, then you probably don't know that I always insinuate that we are all bosses. So keep an open mind and just believe that this video is going to be very easy and extremely helpful. We can all be pros at this editing game, and all you've got to do is believe in yourself and watch me, of course. And you don't know it, 2 months from now you might be teaching me new tricks or even editing for Drake or Beyonce or Davido or me. I might just blow up tomorrow. You don't know about that, and that's on period, guys. So forget about all my gibberish and let's just get straight into this video. So first off, you need to have your PicsArt app on your phone. If you did already, then that's a big thumbs up. And if you didn't, you should probably head on to your App Store or Play Store and download the app. Funny enough, this app is available on both. So now we'll click on all photos to pick the picture that we'll be using today. We'll be using an old photo from my phone. I took this picture like last year. Not that it's any of your business, but I'm just putting it out there. So we'll pick the picture that we're going to be using today. Increase your brightness as much as you possibly and comfortably can. This will give you a clearer view of what your work looks like. With this done, we'll click on the tool icon, which will in turn take us to the adjust feature. Unfortunately, my screen recording had a minor glitch, hence my using a picture to demonstrate this procedure. You'll then be brought to a scene just like this, and all you have to do is play with the amount line just a little so you can unlock the erase feature. When you click erase, you would have a lineup of characters containing person, face, clothes, sky, and whatnot. Then go ahead to click on person, and after it has completely loaded, click on the tick mark at the top right hand corner. By doing this, every other edit you carry out will be focused mainly on the person in the picture. Go ahead to adjust the brightness, contrast, clarity and saturation of your picture depending on its lighting and quality. Using the hue option is completely optional, but I always remember to reduce my highlights and increase my shadows. It gives your skin this sweet look and you just have to love it. I always reduce my temperature because it gives the picture a cool and satisfying look. We are now done with editing our person, so we'll click on apply and go back to our tool and adjust function. Play with the amount line again and click on erase. It will take us to the person and face characters, but this time we'll click on background. Do the same thing of clicking the tick mark at the top right hand corner. Adjust your brightness, contrast and clarity to your preferential taste and leave the saturation for now. Remember to reduce your highlights and increase your shadows. Give your background a little of that cool look by reducing the temperature, and then this is where we go back to our saturation and reduce it all the way to the end. Ooh, child! Now we have that black and whitish background, and that's halfway through our work for today. I noticed it was looking rather too blue, so I adjusted our temperature. Go back to our eraser icon up there and this time click on erase. Click on erase twice and reduce size, opacity and hardness. Tap on erase again so the adjustment bar goes off. And then drag on the harsh lines between the person and the background so that they don't look too obvious. When you're done with this, you definitely notice that the lines aren't so intense. Don't forget to apply so you save these changes. Now for your designs, click on sticker. Unfortunately, this feature requires mobile data, but trust me, it's nothing more than 20 kilobytes. Since we'll be using rainbow designs, we'll search rainbow aesthetics. We have a variety of rainbow aesthetics that you would like to use, and all you have to do is scroll until you find whichever aesthetic that you choose to use. When you find it, tap on it and it will immediately download onto your picture, and you can play with this and put it whichever part of the screen that you so desire. If the sticker is too obvious for you, then reduce the opacity to your satisfaction. Explore other features like shadows, blend, adjust, and so on. They are not really important in this case, but you can be the judge of that. We can use multiple stickers by tapping the sticker icon again. This time we'll be going in with butterfly aesthetics. As usual, you would have a variety of stickers to choose from, and all you need to do is tap on your choice. The sticker will then download onto your picture, and you can adjust it to the position of your taste. Repeat the same adjustment action with your opacity if the sticker is too bright for you. In a case where you like the pattern of the sticker and not the color, go into FX and click on Colorize. We'll then use the fade option to get the exact color shade that we want. Click on Apply and the sticker will immediately download onto the picture. Always feel free to adjust the appearance of your sticker if you're not comfortable with the way it looks. Click on Apply to save changes. Explore other features of the app and considerably comment if there are any of the unexplained functions that you do not understand. Often said that beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, but great pictures are in the hands of the editor, and you guys have to admit that we've done an amazing job. To save our picture, we'll click on Next and then Save and then Download Photo, and our picture will automatically save onto our gallery. It's as easy as ABC, guys. This is me not wasting a second in making that picture my wallpaper, because we gotta say that it looks good. That brings me to the end of this video. If you want more contents like this, then say something in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Share this video to your photo loving friends and give to them something that they would never forget. Bye guys!